Instacool Pro Review: does this portable AC actually work? In this video, I'm going to review the Instacool Pro Portable AC and find out whether it actually cools a room as advertised, or whether you should think twice before spending your money. Instacool Pro is marketed as a compact, plug-in cooling and heating device that requires no window hose, ductwork, or professional installation. Some seller materials claim it can handle spaces up to 550 square feet and provide fast cooling using what they call turbo-cool technology. But there's an important issue. Available product information does not provide the kind of technical specifications you would normally expect from a conventional air conditioner, such as a verified BTU cooling capacity, compressor specifications, refrigerant type, or independent cooling performance results. That matters because a conventional air conditioner doesn't simply blow cooler-feeling air. It uses a refrigeration system to remove heat from inside the room and transfer that heat outside. Without clear technical information explaining how Instacool Pro removes that heat, claims that it can perform like a conventional whole room AC should be treated cautiously. So does it actually work? It may provide localized airflow and potentially make you feel more comfortable when you're sitting close to it. But there isn't enough independently verified evidence to confirm that it can significantly lower the temperature of an entire room like a standard air conditioner. Even a recent detailed examination of the seller's claims could not confirm real-world cooling performance because standardized specifications and independent test results were unavailable. There are also some concerning customer experiences to consider. Recent Trustpilot reviewers have complained about weak cooling performance, product quality, delivery issues, and difficulties or costs associated with returns. These are individual customer reports rather than laboratory tests, but the pattern is worth considering before purchasing. Another important point is that there are different products using the Instacool Pro name. The small plug-in room device should not be confused with Fagati's much larger Instacool Pro rooftop air conditioner designed for RVs. Here's my pro tip. Whenever you see a portable AC claiming powerful room cooling without an exhaust hose, check for a verified BTU rating, compressor, and refrigerant specifications, independent testing, and a clear return policy before ordering. So is Instacool Pro worth buying? If you simply want localized airflow, there are many established fans and personal cooling products you can compare. But if your goal is genuine whole-room air conditioning, the available evidence does not give me enough confidence to recommend this device as a replacement for a conventional AC. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which product you want me to investigate next.